Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In today's fast-paced world, making smart money moves can transform not only your bank account but your entire life. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building wealth, these tips will set you on the right path. Stay tuned as we break down easy yet effective strategies to help you grow and protect your hard-earned money. Smart money moves can make all the difference between financial stress and a life of freedom. It's not about how much you earn, but how you manage what you have that matters most. Let's start with the basics. Imagine having complete control over your finances, where every dollar has a purpose. The first key is knowing where your money goes. It's amazing how often we think we know but haven't really taken the time to track it. Picture this: every time you spend, you're casting a vote for the lifestyle you want. If you're constantly left wondering where your paycheck went, it might be time to reevaluate those daily coffee runs or spontaneous online shopping sprees. Awareness is power. Once you understand your spending patterns, you can make smarter decisions. One of the smartest financial moves is creating an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having that cushion can turn what could be a financial disaster into just a minor inconvenience. It doesn't have to be built overnight, but making small, consistent contributions will build it faster than you think. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for the unexpected. Next, think about your debt. It's like carrying around a heavy backpack. What if you could start to lighten that load? By tackling high-interest debt first, you free up more money to save or invest. Imagine the feeling of finally being debt-free. It's possible, but it takes focused effort. Now, let's talk about investing. There's a myth that investing is only for the rich, but the truth is, anyone can start. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time with the power of compound interest. Whether it's a 401k, an IRA, or just a simple brokerage account, the key is starting early and staying consistent. Think of your money like a garden. The sooner you plant the seeds, the sooner you'll see the growth. Another smart move is automating your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. When you make saving automatic, it happens without you even thinking about it. Imagine checking your balance one day and realizing how much you've saved without even trying. Living below your means is another crucial habit. It's easy to get caught up in the desire to have the latest gadgets, clothes, or cars, but real financial freedom comes when you stop trying to keep up with others. Focus on what truly matters to you. When you prioritize your long-term goals over short-term pleasures, you're setting yourself up for success. Taxes are another area where smart money moves can save you a lot. Make sure you're taking advantage of any tax benefits or deductions you're eligible for. This could mean contributing to a retirement account, claiming credits for education, or even deductions for charitable donations. It's not about avoiding taxes. It's about being smart with your money and keeping as much of it as you legally can. Lastly, keep learning about money. The financial landscape is always changing, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make the right decisions. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or talking to a financial advisor, staying informed is key. When you combine all these smart money moves, the impact can be life-changing. You'll feel less stressed about money, more in control, and ultimately, you'll have more freedom to live life on your terms. It's not about perfection, but progress. Each step you take brings you closer to financial independence. You've got this. With a few smart decisions today, your future self will thank you. Now that you've got the tools to make smarter money decisions, the next step is putting them into action. Remember, every small step counts toward a brighter financial future. So, start today, stay committed, and watch your wealth and confidence grow. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with friends looking to level up their financial game. Thanks for watching.